Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over the question, how many panels come within a Wood Veneer Hub order? Now, if you've checked out my channel, you'll know that I've made a few videos on the Wood Veneer Hub. I have these panels installed in my office wall currently. And so my panels have been up for about 3 years now. And basically, when you order a panel from Wood Veneer Hub, you get one panel per order. So you see here, it's a standard premium oiled. With one panel, you get luxury American oak wood slat panels, original, and it's 94 inches by 25 inches. That height, where it's 25 inches by 95 inches, that's essentially just one panel. So do make sure that you calculate very carefully how many panels you need. In addition, you also want to make sure you indicate that you ordered the correct amount of panels. And so with that, I hope this helps answer the question, how many panels come within a Wood Veneer Hub order? But thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments down below.